Is your Dreamweaver feeling a little Euro stale? Time to supercharge your web design workflow and get the latest features with a quick update. First off, you'll need the Adobe Creative Cloud app. If you don't have it or can't find it, search for Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer search bar, open the app and get ready to find your Dreamweaver. Inside the Creative Cloud app, there's a tab on the far left called Updates. Click this to see which Adobe apps need. Well, updating this is where the magic happens. Find Dreamweaver in the list. It usually will show update next to the app. Lucky you. If you see an open button, that means your version is already and up to date. All you have to do is click the update button next to Dreamweaver. The Creative Cloud app will now handle the download and installation. The app will show a progress bar, so you know how much further it can take. Once the progress bar is full, Dreamweaver is updated to the newest version. The Creative Cloud app might prompt you to restart Dreamweaver. Go ahead and restart so you see all the new features and performance improvements in action. Now, open Dreamweaver. You should now be running the latest version, ready to experience the latest updates. Enjoy your improved web design experience. Congratulations, you are all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more web design tips and tutorials. I will help you stay ahead of the game. Happy coding!